Now, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everywhere you are watching me from. Yeah, my name is Favor. I'm here to teach you how to play guitar from the very beginning to the very end. Stay tuned. Good evening. Let's firstly talk about how to hold the pick. If you want to, the correct position to hold the pick is just hold it like this. Put your thumb here. Put it like this. Then hold this finger like this. Then this is the correct position. Hold it like this. Put the thumb here. Then this finger, hold it like this. Then that's the correct position to hold the pick. Now let's talk about the scales from the first position to the third position here. In the first position, the first scales, we are on key C. This is the root note Do. Here is the root note, and here also is the root note for the tenor. This is the octave Do. Now, the first position, notice the guitar is divided into 5 positions. This is the first position, second position, third position, fourth position, and the fifth position. Once again, this is the first position, second for key C, first position, second position, third position, fourth position, and the fifth position. Now let's talk about, we are going to come back to the chords later, so let's talk about the scales, because if we move to the chords without learning the scales, it will be like we are entering into priming 5 without reading priming 1. Now the scales, the first position of the scale starts from Mi. This is the open chord. The neck on the neck, they call this place the neck side of the guitar, the open chord. Now it starts from Mi. We run it from up to down. It's not compulsory for it to start from Do. It can start from any part of it. We have Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do. So it starts from Mi. I've said this earlier, we are on key C. And the way we read key on guitar is, anywhere it starts, this is the string of E. This, the top one, is the string of E. This is A. This, the string of A. This one, the string of A. This is the string of D. This is the string of G. This is the string of B, and this is the string of E. We have 2 E. The octave E, we can call this tenor E. This is the octave one, because the sounds, it's this is like tenor, this is like the octave. Very good. Now if you want to calculate the on just the general rules on guitar and on keyboard and on most instruments, this is the way the keys goes. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then when you get to G, you go back to A. That's just it. Once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. When you get to G, you go back to A. Very good. Now I said this is my B. Then B did not have sharp. There is no sharp in B. So from B, to move one note here, it's supposed to be B sharp, but there's nothing like B sharp, so it is C. I don't know if you understand. So that's why I get my C here. So that's how it continues from C, C sharp. There's sharp in C. We have C sharp. So this will be my C, and C sharp. Then from C sharp we have D, D sharp, and E. Then there's no sharp in E also. Then F also. No sharp in B, between B and C, and no sharp in between E and F. There is nothing like E sharp or B sharp. Five position on the guitar. The first position I played this earlier. This is the first position, second position, third position, fourth position, and the fifth position. Now, the first one starts from me. We are on key C. This is the root note. Do is the root note. Don't use C, C sharp, D sharp. All those ones is going to like, there will be too much of things in your head if you continue to use stuff like that. Just use solfege. Please try and use solfege. Now, I'm going to teach you how to do that now. It starts from me. This is me. Fa, so. And when you are playing this, please try to do up and down notes. Mi, fa, so. Anytime you are playing two notes on a string, please try to do up and down. If you play this one like this, play the second one up, it's going to increase your speed very, very fast. So this is mi, fa, so. The next, then you move to the next string. The next string, there's no, you won't put your hand on anything yet. La, then you put this hand here, T, then this hand, Do. Then you move to the next string, Re. Again, you won't put your hand on anything. Re. Then this hand, Mi, Fa, So, La, Si, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So. Very good. Then let me play it very fast so that I can see it with the up and down strokes. Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do, Re, Mi. That's just it. That's the scale of the first position of C. This same C, we can play the scale here. So that's why you just see sometimes people soloing on guitar just come here, and they are not missing the key. This is the secret I'm telling you now. I'm going to teach you the 5th position, but I'm teaching the first to third position first. Learn this, practice it very good for like 1 week, then or even 2 weeks. It depends on how much you practice. You can practice for like 6 hours a day. It's not too much. This is the chord, first position. Then you will run it up, back again. So, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so. You see this? La, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. That's just it. So, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. That's just it. Then let's move to the second position. The second position starts, we end this place at So. Then the second position starts from So. So, La, Si, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do. Then after reaching this Do, you bring this finger, put it here. This is your Re. It starts from So and it ends at La. So, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So. That's just it. Once again. Then for the very last time. Then I say you bring this finger. Then let's move to the last position I'm going to teach today, the third position. It starts from La. La, Si, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, Once again, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Then you bring this finger here, this one. Now, just when I was running the scale, you will notice something that between me and fa, I didn't leave any space, like from la, ti, like from between me and fa, I didn't put any space, and between ti and do, I didn't leave any space there. From la and ti, I leave a space, but from ti to do, I didn't, because it's a semitone. There's something we call tone, tone, tone. There's something we call tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So that's just it. Ti to do is a semitone, and mi and fa is a semitone also. And why all the remaining one are tone? So we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's just the scale. Learn this, and next time I'm here, I'm going to teach you the remaining 2 positions. Then we are going to move to the chords. Thank you very much. See you guys next lesson. Please, and please, if you've not subscribed, please try and subscribe and click on the notification button, so that when next I drop the video, you're going to see it. Please share this channel also, so that a lot of people can benefit from this. Thank you very much.